Good morning. I think it's about time for another update. The river has dropped to, what's that, about 3 meters above the normal level. But somehow I think that's the lowest it's gonna go for now, because at Prishka the water started rising. It's only a tiny bit. But if you've been watching social media and what's been posting there, if you live in the Highveld, you know about the thunderstorms, the heavy rains, the hail, the strong winds that we've been having in the last couple of days. But thunderstorms are not the only part of this equation. If you look at the rain forecast, Bethlehem for example, this is about 100 millimeters forecast over the next 10 days. Look at Balfour. This is just spread out in the rainfall catchment area for the dams. Vrede, there's a lot of rain forecast. In fact, over the next 24 hours, not much yet, 3 days, more rains. In the next 5 days, you start to see like 50 millimeters. In the next 10 days, 123 millimeters here. Even areas with lower rainfall, 100 millimeters, 50 millimeters, 60. There's a lot of rain forecast. We still have to see whether this will actually happen. The situations at the dam is not bad. The Vaal Dam is at roughly 102% and dropping. The Bloemhof Dam is about 102%, going up a little bit, but then starting to drop. Gariep Dam is down to about 98% and dropping. I'm guessing they're still generating a lot of electricity, which is the reason why it's dropping like that. But the influence of that is that water flows into Van der Kloof, which is staying at a constant level at the moment, while the release is high, suggesting also full capacity electricity generation. Then looking at the situation in the lower orange, 1,100 cubic at Katlani, slightly up from the previous couple of days. So the river is not going to drop below where it currently is for a while to come. Why don't we get a better view? Just on that second ridge over is the first of them. Now we actually have confirmation. There is the baboons. They are indeed on the island. I don't think the camera will make them out, but I can see them. Right, that troop of baboons And the troop on the island, they're not the same troop, two different troops. And this troop has been here, I saw them here from the beginning, so that troop is not the troop of this area. They're very territorial. They often fight over territory. What that means is that that troop is either intruders, which is why they were on the island, or they're Namibians. And they don't have passports. So they cannot come. That's a joke. Anyways, this one is just up there, where the tree is just below that tree. And we have confirmation that the troop that was on the island is still on the island. They're sitting right there in those trees. And that troop is not part of that troop. This troop has its own territory here. And that troop is either an intruder or Namibian without passports, so they can't cross. Anyways, I do think that this is the lowest level that we will see the river at for a while, with all of that rain possibly falling in the next week. Anyways, we'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Such rude interruptions. Can't they see I'm filming? With all the insults these two groups are yelling at each other, the moment the water level drops low, I think they might have some closer words with each other after that.